Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are making very easy and tasty recipe. We are making buffalo broccoli recipe. So buffalo wild wings is a non-veg, so I am making a vegetarian version of it. And buffalo cauliflower is very famous, but I am making it with a little twist. I am making it with broccoli. So to know how to make this amazing recipe, please follow the video. So let's start with the ingredient. First we need broccoli florets washed. So I have chopped the broccoli and I have washed it. Then we need 3/4 cup of milk, some salt. I'm using pink salt, garlic powder. This is main ingredient. Then paprika. We need some all-purpose flour. Then half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped. So take a bowl, add all the ingredients in it. So I have taken all-purpose flour, then chopped garlic cloves. This will enhance the flavor. We are using garlic powder, but we can use the chopped garlic as well, fresh garlics. Then I have added black pepper, red chili powder. Red chili powder is optional. It increases the spiciness, but if you don't want, you can skip it. Now I'll add paprika. Now in this we will add some garlic powder first. So this is the main important ingredient. So if you don't have garlic powder, you can just increase the quantity of garlic cloves and freshly chop them and use them. But if you have garlic powder, you can use garlic powder instead. And then we will use a little bit of salt. And now we need to make a thick consistency batter. So while adding milk, just stir it. We don't want any lumps in it, so give it a nice mix. And batter should not be too runny. We need to coat broccoli in this batter, so we need a thick batter. So our thick consistency batter is ready. So this is the consistency we need. And now what we do is, I have prepared the baking tray, lined it with aluminum foil and greased it with oil. Now next step is we need to coat the broccoli florets with the batter we prepared nicely. And meanwhile I have preheated oven at 450 Fahrenheit. Tap it little bit if you have any extra batter, otherwise coat it nicely, and we will repeat the process with all the broccoli florets. So our broccoli florets are ready, and we will bake them for about 10 minutes first. And meanwhile we will prepare our buffalo sauce. For that I have taken red chili sauce, some olive oil, little bit of salt, some coriander leaves finely chopped, and honey. So what we need to do is, we need to mix everything to prepare a nice sauce. So first we will add oil in our hot sauce, that is red chili sauce. Now in this we will add all other ingredients like salt, coriander, and honey. So instead of coriander you can use parsley leaves as well. So these are just to increase the flavor. You can use any herbs of your choice. Now we will add honey, and we will mix this and prepare a nice buffalo sauce to enhance our broccoli flavor. Give it a nice mix, and our sauce is ready. This is very quick and easy recipe. You can buy the buffalo hot wing sauce from store as well, but this is a easy way to prepare at home. So our broccoli are baked for 10 minutes. Now what we need to do is, we need to flip this, and then we will need to bake again for 10 minutes. So we will using fork, you can flip them over. Make sure to take a precautions because this tray is hot. It's just came out from the oven, so you need to be little bit careful. And now we will bake this for another 10 minutes. So 10 minutes done. See, they are nicely crisp and very nicely coated with our batter. Now what we need to do is we need to coat this with the sauce we prepared. So using brush you can coat broccolis and coat it nicely, generously, so this will enhance the flavor of your buffalo broccolis. So we will coat this nicely with the sauce, and then we will bake it for another 10 minutes. And if you like, you can broil it for last 2-3 minutes to get the nice color, but I just like to bake it for another 10 minutes. So these are ready to go inside the oven, and we will bake it for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes are done, and see, our buffalo broccolis are ready and they are looking so yummy. This is very easy recipe, just we need 30 minutes and not much preparation. So this is very nice recipe for as an appetizer, as a snack, or you can have this for a potluck. Every guest can enjoy this if they like spicy, if they like sweet. So it has all the flavors in it. So do try this recipe. They are so yummy, amazing and tasty. And hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share the video and hit the bell icon to get the new recipe updates. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.